Vishwakarma Founders, Private Limited. Milestones ahead, working beyond boundaries.
Why Vishwakarma really was set up is when we were in school and I started realizing that I need to set up a platform. That's when she started, and that's when she realized she thought that if she wasn't independent, her children won't be. So that is how she decided she wanted to set a platform up.
म्हणजे ह्याच्या मागे पैसे मिळवणे किंवा ही गोष्ट नंतरची होती. खरं पहिला काहीतरी उद्योग उभारणे की ज्या ठिकाणी मुलांना उभारता येईल, ही पहिली गोष्ट होती त्याच्यातली. मी कसं करते, मी थोडं सगळ्यांना म्हणजे जे कोणी कामाला येतात, मुलं असू देत किंवा हे असू देत, तर त्यांना त्यांचं काय करायचं असेल तर मी थोडं परमिशन देते की त्यांनी ते करायला पाहिजे.
Retaining them in a certain way is more important than just hiring girls. If you retain them, if you see that they're staying after they got married, after they get their children, if they still stay, then that's when you realize that this girl can make a change. And what I need more girls, but I need all these girls to work towards making a change.